Hello and welcome to another video of styling a mame Premna. This tree is made from a tiny cutting. Within 2-3 years, this is the current condition. I have put a tiny rock under the roots, and now, as you can see, it is a tiny root over rock. You can see the long shoots everywhere, and now it is time to cut them short where needed and to encourage more ramifications. I'll start by cutting off the long shoots. They have served the purpose. They are enough long now, and in return the energy is fed into the branches and the trunk. So now it is time to cut them off. This tree's third training. The primary branches were earlier wired. We have introduced some twists in the branches. Then we have developed the secondary branches over a year. And this year we are growing the tertiary branches. And where the branches and twigs are long, we need to ensure we cut them back, because the long shoots, they pull more energy, and in return the weak twigs or weak shoots, if they don't get the enough energy, they can die. So we have to maintain this balance by trimming the long shoots, which also helps in ramification. We can see that only by cutting the shoots, a primary shape is evolving. From all sides, we need to ensure that there is no unwanted shoots or long shoots which do not help in the structure of the tree. Now I will put some wire on the branches where direction is needed. Wire is mainly for the initial shape. Within 1 or 2 months, these branches will be settled in this direction and we can remove the wires. Wiring always should be done by taking two branches wired by a single wire. It gives strength and stability to both the branches. I will only create basic shape, and after there is again new growth, then I will remove the wires. Next year I'll repot this tree and I'll show the progress. I'll give link in the description that how I grew this tree from a tiny cutting. That video is also in my YouTube channel. This is it. We'll do nothing more to this tree. We'll let it grow, and I'll try to film the further progress of this tree, and I'll surely put it on YouTube for you guys. You can see the twists which I have made primarily to every branches, and now the secondary branches and tertiary branches we are growing. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe and support us. Thanks.